Chiki, 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 chiki. We are in the rental place right now. Car rental place waiting for our ride. Yeah, right, Yan Yan? Right, Yan Yan? Ayan. What do you see, Yan? Hi.
I'm gonna sit down and make sure he's enjoying it. Like, okay. Cool. Yeah, nice. How you like that? There
This
you
is
go.
our view.
Let's see, Mom.
Veranda and front porch facing the sea. Over there. And this is baby Yan Yan. It's a picture. I like it. It's very, very well thought out. All carpentry tools and stuff. It's good. Bar area.
And nice. Yeah.
Chairs. Plancha. The heater.
There's our little prince over there. Suffered a nuclear meltdown tonight. He's pissed off at Daddy because Daddy wanted to take photos and then he got upset. Now I know why he kept saying, "Why, Dada? Why, Dada?" Huh. Okay, love. Happy 11-year anniversary. Thank you for being with me and staying with me and putting up with me and so on. And hopefully time will give us a better place in life. Huh? It's been a tough year. I love you.